Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm talking about the Isagenix Shake Day and what an Isagenix Shake Day schedule looks like. So for those of you that don't know me, my name is Amanda Hawke. I'm an Isagenix independent associate, try and say that 10 times fast, who has helped thousands of people like yourself achieve their health and wellness goals using Isagenix products. And today we are talking all about shake days. Now, shake days are one of the foundational days you will see in most of our programs. And what it basically is a really nice, easy schedule that you can follow day in, day out to help you give your body the fuel it needs, use protein pacing to speed up your metabolism, and give yourself the ability to shed weight or just feel healthier in general. Now, the cool thing about a shake day is that it's really simple and easy to follow, and it can be adapted. So if you've lost your desired amount of weight, you can still follow a basic shake day structure to help maintain your weight, and you can adapt it to help you achieve your future goals as well. But in essence, the Isagenix Shake Day is really simple. You wake up in the morning and you start off with our Ionix, which is an adaptogen drink, and basically it's a shot that you take, tastes like banana, delicious, and it helps your body with stress, and it helps your body stop your cortisol levels from spiking out of control, and it helps you really get the benefit of our products. Once you've had that, you're straight into our shakes, and our shakes, which are available in packets and in tubs and in bags and plant-based, kosher, there's a whole range, there's something for everybody, and they're available in heaps of flavors. You just basically jump in for your first shake of the day for breakfast. And if you've got a tub, it's basically two scoops to 1 cup of water, or if you've got a sachet like this, you can just tip it in, put a cup of water in, give your shaker a shake, and you're away laughing. Now, if you want to, you can also add our Natural Accelerator, and that will just help your body boost the metabolism temporarily and metabolize the food a lot faster. Now, the great thing is our shakes in the Isalean range or the whole blend range have 24 grams of protein, which is an optimal amount of protein for protein pacing. And basically that is a way that you distribute protein throughout the day to help your body get everything it needs and really keep your metabolism going. Our shakes also include all the essential amino acids you need, as well as a whole bunch of good stuff. And it's available on the back of the packets, as well as using the links below where you can see all the additional nutrients and minerals that are in these shakes. So you're really going to be fueling your body with the stuff it needs to get throughout the day. Now, as you go into mid-morning, you might be feeling a little bit peckish. So what you can do is you can opt for a 100-calorie snack. Now, you can choose to purchase something from our Isagenix range, like one of our little peanut bars. We've got Isalean chocolates, we've got energy drinks, we've got a whole range of stuff that you can have, or you can choose your own meal to suit your dietary requirements. So it could be some apple, or it could be 100 calories worth of almonds, which is something that I absolutely adore and quite often will snack on. Now, as you proceed throughout the day and lunchtime roams around, it's really quite simple. You just opt for another shake. So it's your second shake of the day, you mix it up. So 2 scoops, 1 sachet to 1 cup of water, shake it up, blend it up, whatever you want to do. There's also heaps of different recipe ideas that you can use to make up really cool new things, and you can make up smoothie bowls as well. So really, you're not limiting yourself. You're just introducing something that's filled with heaps and heaps of good stuff into your diet to make you feel better. So that's lunch. So we've had a shake for breakfast, a shake for lunch, and then as we cruise into the afternoon, if you're feeling, a bit of 3 o'clock-itis like you do sitting in the office, then you can have another snack. So it's 100 calories, and you can choose whether it's something from our Isagenix range, so like one of our bars, some collagen bone broth, completely up to you, or whether it's something that you make yourself. And then cruising on into evening, you're done with your shakes for the day, you simply cook yourself a really scrummy, healthy meal, which is about 400 to 500 calories. So basically, the easiest way that I kind of think of it is 1/4 of the plate is protein, 1/4 of it is some veggies, and then some nice carbs and everything in there. And it's a really simple way. We've got lots of recipes and stuff that you can use, but just by having a really nice, healthy, nutritious meal, you're setting yourself up for the evening. And then if you want something before you go to bed, you can opt for a nice bone broth, a bit of Isagenix chocolate if you've got a sweet tooth, and then basically you go to bed, you wake up, and you rinse and repeat. And that's all there is to an Isagenix Shake Day. So just to recap, the schedule is really simple. You have a shake for breakfast, a shake for lunch, healthy dinner. In between, you can have a couple of 100-calorie snacks in the morning and in the afternoon, and then you're away laughing. So that is it for today's video. If you have any questions or if you want more information, check out the links below or reach out to me or one of the team. Thank you so much for your time, and I hope you have a wonderful evening.